This is a Valve data file. It stores game configuration data for Steam. You can open it with a text editor to tweak game settings or install paths. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's edit it. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific VDF application fails. More details to follow. The VDF format is a Steam game data file that stores essential configuration settings and parameters. It uses a key value structure to define graphics and gameplay preferences, ensuring proper software and engine functionality. The structure allows for easy parsing by the game engine to ensure consistency across various computer systems. VDF files typically use a key value pair structure, often formatted in a plain text or binary format. The structure allows for easy parsing and modification by the game engine. Developers use VDF files to define various game settings, ensuring consistency across different user systems. The specific format can vary depending on the game and the engine used. Typically, VDF files can be opened with Steam created by Valve Corporation. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows stores these files in protected locations to avoid accidental user modification. To guarantee file access, right-click your VDF file and select Open With. If Steam is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your VDF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. A specialized format like VDF demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. Valve Steam, an antivirus program, that created the VDF file. Next, use the original application. Launch the original application. The file is usually loaded automatically, e.g. Steam. Finally, delete and recreate. If the file is corrupt, delete the VDF file and allow the program to automatically regenerate a clean copy. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your VDF file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format regardless of its current label. For guaranteed results, the one-click VDF fix is File Magic. It opens almost any format imaginable. Find the program at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions. Make sure you've bookmarked this video.